in that whenever it's really hot, I get so sleepy.
So do I.
Yeah, it's obnoxious.
Yeah, the heat just beats down on us, and you know it's like day after day after day. It's
Yeah,
really,
especially with the stretch of hundreds.
And we had another 105 right now is the current temperature. So we hit our forecasted high today, and we verified that excessive heat warning that was in place and still is in place until 7 o'clock. Current burn bans in Texas. Well, all of East Texas now, except Franklin County, they are the lone holdout. And more counties added to the west and to the northwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. I'd say about almost 80 to 85% of all of Texas is under a burn ban, some sort of burn ban right now. On top of that, it's so dry that the mold spores have actually dropped into the lower levels. Tree pollen, grass pollen, weed pollen, just non-existent. But if you are suffering maybe some postnasal drip or something, there is dust in the air, and sometimes that can make it down to the surface and cause a slight degradation in the air quality. We don't have any air quality alerts, but we are seeing Saharan dust still in the atmosphere this afternoon. It'll give us another colorful sunset this evening, colorful sunrise tomorrow. If we can see the sun, I think we're going to have a lot of cloud cover tomorrow morning. Right now, it's breezy outside. That's nice, but it is muggy and warm. 105 in Tyler, 102 in Longview. Look at Nacogdoches, 103 with that nice southerly breeze, but it's really just blowing the hot air around in Lufkin right now, clear, and 103. Overnight tonight, it's another one of those warm nights. And to Mata's point, you know, this is part of that kind of beat down from the heat. It stays warm all night long, and so you just don't get a chance to recharge the batteries and get some cooler air. Out to our northwest, there could be a few showers that drift into parts of the area north of Interstate 20, I think, or Interstate 30 tomorrow morning. Hour by hour, you could see those rain chances at 9 and 10, then a break. And then as we head into the afternoon, we're talking about a 40% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the overnight chance. Keep an area out toward Emory, Mineola, maybe even down into Tyler by tomorrow morning. Brief shower, they kind of fade away. A couple of scattered thunderstorms will be possible over deep East Texas. And then look at right here. So what we think is that near and closer to the frontal boundary that'll be north of the Red River, we should have a complex of thunderstorms that forms over Oklahoma and Arkansas. And then tomorrow night, around the big ridge of high pressure aloft, the wind direction brings these in from the northeast back to the southwest. That's widespread rain. We would really welcome this. It doesn't do a lot to the temperature, knocks it down to 96 for a high tomorrow, which is not 100, so it's better. But this might be more important. Look at that. 3/4 of an inch of rain to nearly 2 inches of rainfall. That would be so welcome, and boy, we could really use it. And then over the weekend, we're talking about the heat reestablishing itself and going right back to triple digits and drying out again Sunday and Monday of next week with that little frontal boundary trying to penetrate and push into that high, but it's going to be a chore to do that for sure. All right, here's your Baylor Scott and White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. Scattered rain, thunderstorms tomorrow, 96 for the high. Scattered storms are also possible Friday morning. We'll rebound and recover back up to 98, and then it's hot again Saturday, Sunday near 100. The heat cranks up Monday to 104 and stays right there Tuesday and Wednesday.